Everyone, welcome back to Pixel Retouch Academy. In this video, I'll be giving away 20 free Photoshop retouching actions that can help speed up your working flow or editing workflow. This action can be useful for skin retouching, frequency separation, dodge and burn, preparation, sharpening, color enhancement, and other retouching tasks. Okay, so you can download them using the link in the description. I'll also share the download password later in the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so let me quickly show you what's included. Now already have it installed in my system, and these are the what you're gonna get, which is from year to year, typically what's on the colored ones. Now we have several ones like no skin smoothing. You can also see airbrushing skin, and we also have PRA frequency separation. We have dodge and burn, rich tone, and all of this. I especially love the sharpening tool because it brings out the texture and all of the details in the face and in the body. So as you can see, this action can save time by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on the creative side of retouching. So how do you get this action in Photoshop? Okay, so if you're not seeing your action here, I'm just gonna close this. If you don't see it anywhere, yours can appear here, but if you're not seeing it, just come to Windows and you're going to see action. So once you click it, it's going to appear. I moved mine from here to this point. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let me show you. So once you open Photoshop and you locate your action panel, you click on this dot, this 3-4 lines, and then you're going to click on load actions. So once you click on load actions, it's going to bring up this, and you're going to load all of these actions, and you're going to get what's on my phone. So you locate the ANT file and click open. So whichever one you select, you're going to click load. Okay, so that's how to load the actions, and you're going to see it and ready to use in your tool section, which is under your actions. Now okay, so now the password, this is the password. You can see it on the screen already, and I'll also display it later on in the video. So let me just demonstrate a quick one. We're going to just use few of the actions. Now let's take a look at this image. We see these rough ones, the blemishes. So I'm just going to come here and I'll click on PRA, Pixel Retouch Academy frequency separation. I'm going to choose 4, or we can choose 4. Yes, let's choose 4 and click OK. Alright, so this is what you're gonna get. Now I'm gonna minimize it and I'm gonna focus. So we have this already. You know how to use your frequency separation, so you select your mixer tool brush and you can blend the skin, and also you can also select this top one and select the clone stamp tool, and you can start your edit. So I'm just gonna quickly select a free space using pressing down Alt and left clicking, and then I'm gonna just do that. Yep. Okay, well, good. Now next thing is we can test some other stuff and color correction. So let's try the color correction, and there we go with the gradient map. So this is how to use it. Just double click on it and select. So it's very important you select one So the flow is too low. I'm just going to let's make it shift control and E and image pop-up, so you can see what I actually did before. It just makes the image pop out the more. And okay, so I guess we can do other later stuff, dodging and burn, and so many others you can use. So but I don't want the video to be long. I can do sharpening, and there we can use our brush tool. Let's take it up and let's sharpen. So just take a look at how the image stands out. I'm going to hide it from this side and leave it like this. So let's see our before and after. Before, after, before, after. Alright guys, see you in the next one.